Hi and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac of Gemini. So, if you have your Sun, Moon, Rising, or your Saturn in the sign of Gemini, this is the reading for you in terms of your finances for the month of Feb. Now, the first card that I have for you guys is the Six of Wands. Now, Six of Wands is a card of leadership. It's a card of, coming into power, finding a breakthrough in whatever it is that you are doing. And number six is also the number of Venus. Venus gives comfort, Venus gives harmony. And when you relate that with your career, what it means is that in your career you are finally going to reach some sort of harmony. You're going to reach some sort of position, or some sort of situation where you are going to be happy and you'll be able to provide more for your family. For a lot of people, this could mean that the impending promotion you're going to get, the impending bonuses that have been stuck, you're going to get them pretty soon. So within I won't say very quickly, but within 6 weeks to 6 months you could be getting a promotion, if not immediately. The next card I have for you is number 8, the crone. So number this particular card represents the strength card. Strength card is about patience. It's about working towards your goal continuously, efficiently, and then hoping that whatever you do, you are going to get the result of it pretty quickly. But the thing with the crone card is that you need patience. So if you reach when I said that for a lot of people, the chances of getting a promotion, if you don't get it right away, is within a 6 weeks to a 6 month period. So within 6 months you should be getting a promotion. But the thing is, when you get a promotion or how it comes up, you'll have to have the strength to it. So the way to, receive that promotion, or the way to, to achieve that thing in your life, you have to be very diligent. So a lot of late nights I am seeing, a lot of hard work I'm seeing. You'll have to manage a lot of people, a lot of, egoistic people, or, a lot of people who are arrogant and who also think that they deserve, this particular role or this particular achievement that you have achieved. They deserve it. So you'll kind of have to tame this particular beast if you want to move or grow ahead in your career. The next card I have for you is number 14. So number 14 is 4 plus 1 is number 5. Number 5 is the number related to the planet again. We are talking about Leo energy, Mercury energy again. So what this card here in your reading shows up, and what it's telling is that you have angels, you have people, or you have your subordinates or your friends or your family who's supporting you. So if you are in a position where you are not getting a job, 6 months from now or 6 weeks from now, the situation is going to be very, very different. And to reach that situation, you have to work really, really hard. You have to tame a lot of things. You have to learn a lot of things. You have to have a lot of patience, because when this thing happens, when you finally get that job, you are going to be in a way, way better place. Now, this particular card is saying that you are working on something. This magic potion that you see in the spot is brewing. You're working on something towards your goal. You have your manifestations, you're doing your manifestations. For a lot of people, I also see you might be doing some kind of rituals, like manifestation related rituals. You could be writing petitions, or some of you might also be chanting some mantras, some spells, or things like that to help you with the job you need. But the thing is, everything is supporting you. The only thing you require right now is patience, which could be because there's a delay. It's not coming very, very quickly. There's a delay, which is why it's taking a little bit of time and you're not feeling as confident as you should be. The next card I have for you is the 5 of Wands. Again, number 5. It's a number of change, and two fives together, you can expect sudden changes to come towards you. A lot of things that are going to happen are going to be sudden, are going to be very, very quick, and you are going to be least prepared for them. That is why I'm saying these months from 6 weeks to 6 months period is very, very important for you. A lot of things are going to change, a lot of things are quickly going to move ahead. And with these two number 5 cards, number 5 is a number of transformation. So keep that in mind. Be sure, you keep your ears open, you keep your eyes open. A lot of you, I told you, right, there could be, you guys might be doing spells. And if you look at this card, see how all these people, have their wands in their hands and they are reading a book. Also, this card by itself suggests that, your ideas are scattered. You are in conflict with somebody. Either you have your own internal conflicts or you are conflicted, with someone externally. So either you could be having arguments at work, you could be having arguments at home, or you could be, just having self-worth issues, lack of confidence, lack of self-esteem. So that is something you have to streamline. Only then can you move beyond to the next level. The next card I have for you is the Four of Pentacles. So Four of Pentacles is again a card of patience. It's a card of, making sure you are playing your cards very right. For a lot of you, you seem very concerned. You seem like very collected in a sense that there is an opportunity knocking at your door, but you are so, headstrong in the way you think that, you have to approach a job, or you have to approach your finances or your career, that you are not allowing this opportunity to come towards you. So maybe you are in a stable job, but you want more, but you are scared of, getting out of your comfort zone. So whenever I see, Four of Pentacles card, it tells me, finances are probably stable, but they're not stable enough where, you can spend them without really thinking twice or thrice. And one of the reason when this card shows up is that you have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to start networking. See, it's a group activity. Something is going on in a group. You have to collaborate with other people. So if you are going through conflicts, you have to make sure, you do something that keeps you calm. And remember this card that showed up, this card is all about patience. It's all about waiting. It's about playing the long game, nothing short. And this card, when the Six of Wands happen is, you see, if you take a look at the card, let me show you the card a little closely. So if you look at the card, see what is happening, a couple of people, despite, standing there, especially this woman and this woman, they don't look very happy. So you might be making somebody jealous. Somebody might be getting envious of, your success in your life. So make sure, you take adequate steps, and, try not to offend a lot of people and cause a lot of conflicts. But if I have to predict the future, using these cards, 6 weeks to 6 months again are going to be very transformative for you, especially the fifth month, or, the month of August. So 5 months from now or the month of August are going to be very transformative for you. Let me know if this reading resonates, and see you next month.